Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we are going to start these 3 cute kittens, and I'm going to be working right down here in this corner, and the color that I have is 798, and it is kind of a royal blue, if you will, between a royal blue and a Wedgwood blue. And yes, I'm using my cat needle minder again because, you know, it all goes with that. Oh, let me pull you down, and then we'll get, maybe, I'm telling you, some days this thread seems awfully long for some reason. I don't know. Yep. We are having a day. Let me pull you down. And let's see. So, oh my gosh, what a day yesterday was. Well, we got about 8 inches of snow. And on top of that, we got nice icy cold weather. It was like, oh, maybe 25 degrees all day. Finally got down to about 22 when I left, and there wasn't any wind, so it was fine. Yeah. But it was kind of cold. I mean, it didn't really feel like it was like 4. Is what it said when I looked at the weather by the time I got home. But I planned ahead. I cleaned off my car yesterday morning and went to the grocery store. And then I bought a roast and had that in the crock pot so that it was all ready to eat by the time, I guess I can go this way, eat when I got home, so that was lovely. So dinner was cooked and ready to eat. So I think today I might make beef and noodles out of it all. I bought the noodles as well when I was at the store, so I was prepared. So I guess we're having beef and noodles all weekend. No, I have no idea. Oh my goodness. Yeah, because I'm for staying home today. It's supposed to be about 10 degrees warmer than it was yesterday. So we'll just have to see. And to the lady that sent me that scarf, I think her name was Sharon or Shannon, the one from Scotland. Yeah, I wore it yesterday because I was kind of freezing all day long, you know, just chilled. So I took it when I went to work and I used it. I love that scarf. Thank you so much for sending it to me. Well, I guess we'll just do halves all the way across here. What the heck? Pretty blue. So yeah, I came home and ate that and worked a little bit on my my beaded cross stitch picture, the creek in the mountains one. I feel like I got a piece of hair or something in my mouth. Yeah. So I may be doing more of that today. Goodness gracious. And I don't know how much more snow we're going to get. You know, I mean, if it's going to keep this up all week or not. But yeah, I'm for staying home and doing nothing. I even have in my refrigerator, believe it or not, I think it was last week maybe, I bought a thing of those Is it Pillsbury? The crescent rolls? Yeah. So I'm going to make that and maybe have that with my beef and noodles tonight for dinner. Because they don't take any time at all, you know, to cook in the oven. So, and I've made them before. They are lovely. I get the kind with the, I believe it's honey and butter, maybe. It's not the original ones, but I really like those. They're about all I can stand canned. Because I don't like biscuits in a can. I can't, ugh. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I've had them several times and, well, I don't know now. We're too close, aren't we? There we go. Yeah, but I like the crescent rolls. And I like those Rhodes cinnamon rolls. When my friend from Arizona was here, I bought some of those. They're in the freezer section at the grocery store, and you just put them in the oven and bake them and throw the icing on them. That's what I like. Easy peasy. So, oh my goodness. Yeah, I looked at that spring kit and it was just too much for my brain. Not today. Let's just go and hit the easy button today. Oh, there's just a little bit right there. Oh well, we'll get it next time. May have to stop and start, but we'll get it. So this I knew was pretty straightforward. And I like all the blues in it, so why not, right? Ouch. May have to... Oh goodness, where did it go? Come here, you. May have to use a thimble today. I kind of like these little thimbles. They're not too bad. Not too bad at all. I don't know. They kind of act like they're inside out. Let's turn it inside out and see what happens. Just for, you know, saying we did it and that didn't work. Well, there you go. It works both directions. And there's little, I don't know if you can even see that. There's flowers, like this is the top of the flower, and then you got two leaves and you got a stem that runs down there. I don't know that that's showing up or not, but yeah, you know, the price was right, so why not, right? I'll probably have to end up ordering more. I have one set here on this table, and then I've got the other set over by where I stitch on the couch. So we'll see. It was a little bit windy at work when I first got there, but afterwards it just calmed right down. I was ecstatic. I think we're out of that symbol there. We're just gonna do a jump. I usually don't jump, but maybe 1 or 2 stitches. So that'll work. So many pretty blues, I didn't know which one to go with, so I just picked one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that one, and there was that other one we got the other day that I don't remember which one it was, but it was kind of questionable, shall we say? Oh, that streetcar, maybe. Maybe it was a streetcar. Yeah, I'm not real sure. Some things you just kind of gotta look at it and kind of just go for it, but yeah, I'm usually that person, but I'm just kind of gonna step back. and see. So this was the easier option. Is there? Yeah, there is. So I don't know what other kits I'm going to work on. I'm going to try to get to the Red Chamber ladies. I'd like to get back to the others as well. Put a little time in that because it's perfect weather. It's cool and I can just sit that on my lap and just stitch because it's got some nice bigger areas. Okay, let's get rid of that. Maybe I can find a place to tie it off at. Come on, scissors. Yeah, I cut my nails off, so now I can't grab anything. It'll be awesome when I go to bead. Yeah. Okay. We're going to take care of this little mess right here first. Oh, it's not a mess. It's pretty clear. Thank goodness. And we'll go from there. Who knows? I will just pick something and stitch. Usually what's like around me. But then my brain starts working and then I have to go find something. It's awesome. I was thinking about that, what was it called? Something path, and it was like a building, like on this side, and it had lots of blues in it. And then there was like a pathway that ran this way, and there was something over here. I can't remember what it was. I know right where it's at, or at least my brain thinks I know where it's at. Sometimes I go looking and I can't figure out what I did with it, but it was a joy Sunday. I want to say flower path, maybe. Seems like there was a lot of flowers in that, but it could have another name. Did you notice the typo? It says the 3 Litten Kittens 3. So I'm assuming that should have been little kittens. But I like them. They're so cute. Okay, where are we going here, kids? Up, down, backwards, sideways. Well, we're just going to pick it. Oops. Gotta go from this side. Until I've been beading a while. I put knots in the end of those. And then I go and stitch on something regular and I'll put knots in them. It takes a hot moment. But we'll get it. Like to see what all the blue shades look like after you get going on this. Will look like together. That was another thing, I couldn't figure out where to start on those butterflies. They're just nope. Because it didn't have a big area to stitch, and I don't like to stop and start on you know, you guys. So it's nice to have a big area to stitch in. I know I stopped and started over here, but that was my own fault. I didn't even see it. I must have had like my finger over it when I started. I just picked the orange symbol and went for it. So I even have tea this morning because, yeah, I get chilled. I have to put a rug in front of, I've got those cheap rugs you buy at the dollar store, you know, the kind that's woven You know what I'm talking about. You can get them for like $2 or $3. I roll it up and put it right in front of the door, because the doorway isn't what you'd call straight there. But due to the age of this trailer, I can understand why it's not. But it keeps the cold air off the ground over here. And when in doubt, I have my fuzzy little throw that I bought, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago. They had them at the dollar store for, oh, what was it, $10. So I throw it over my legs. It's not something I'm going to wrap up in. But there's windows behind that couch, so sometimes it can get quite cool. So what is everybody else stitching on? Hope you're stitching on something that's fun and that you like and brings you joy, because, you know, life's too short to stitch on something that would just aggravate the hell out of you, because I've had some of them. I'm just like, nope. I just don't play anymore. It's like, I'm not fighting it. Did notice on that beaded creek thing, it was all fun and games until I got down to the trees. You know, pretty straightforward, nice and easy, and now I think I'm into some confetti, so we'll have to rearrange and start pulling out some extra colors, because it feels like I've only been using about, oh, maybe 4, possibly 5 colors, so now it's gonna get a little confettied, so we'll see how that all works out. All right. But it seems like the more colors you put into it, the prettier it gets. And it's one of those you're going to have to stand back and look at to see all the different shades and colors. So, yeah. But I like it. May have to pick a different spot on my tiger to work on, though. Because, yeah. Or just pick the symbols I know what they are. I hate doing that, though. I'd like to finish an area and go on, you know. All right, guys. Just go down here. And it's really pretty once it's there. Sorry, I crunched that up. I'll take that off a minute. Oh, there's the other one. It's hiding. Isn't that pretty? It's got one symbol here, and then one symbol on both sides of that, and then the brown. It's like the center, and it just keeps getting more and more colors, so it'll be pretty. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.